Next question is simplify 6r plus 7s minus r plus 3s. So just we will add the like terms. 6r minus r is 5r and 7s plus 3s is 10s. So answer will be 5r plus 10s. That's it. Next is banana costs x cents each, apple costs y cents each. Write an expression for the total cost of the bananas and apples. 7 bananas, so 7x, and there are 5 apples, so it is 5y. Total will be sum of both, so answer will be 7x plus 5y. That's it. Next is a diagram is given here. We have to find x here. Look here. A diagram is given and we have to find x. This is a square and this is a pentagon. So for pentagon, each interior angle will be equal to 108 by using the formula 5 n minus 2 over n into 180. So n here is 5, for pentagon is 5. So we get 5 minus 2 into 180 over 5. This 5 is cancelled with 180 to get 36. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 into 36 is 108. So this angle is 108 and square interior angle is 90. So this two angles will be equal to 90 plus 108 is 198. So x will be equal to 360 minus 198. So 360 minus 198 comes out to be 160 out there, 162. Therefore x will be equal to 162 degrees.